Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a BeReal post. You might have accidentally posted a picture that you didn't want to and you accidentally uploaded it somehow, or you realized that it would be a bad picture to upload and you want to delete it. I'll show you how. So first, once you take a BeReal, you click send, right? And then once it's uploaded, it doesn't really look like there's any option to delete it. It just looks like it's up there, except you could add a caption. But no, right below add a caption, there's the 3 dots. It's grayed out and it's kind of hard to see, but click on that. Once you click that, in the bottom right corner again, there's a button that says options. Click that, and there's an option to delete your BeReal. You can only delete your BeReal once a day though. So you can just say, yes, I'm sure, and you can delete it without clicking anything. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.